Hello there. Thank you for taking the moment to click on this video. And I've got a fly fishing tip for you, right? Whether you're new to fly fishing or been doing it a while, you might have noticed when you reel in a bunch of line, it starts to stack on one side of your reel or the other, right? And pretty soon it binds up on this section of the reel and it's not great, right? Especially if you got it in that far, you get a fish on and now it's kind of binding on the reel. I have a tip to help correct that. It's probably gonna be a duh moment because it was for me, right? Longest time I kept doing that, kept reeling it in, it was stack all one side or the other. My dad said, son, check this out. See this right here, your little pinky? You're familiar with level lines, I'm sure. This can act as your level line, right? When you're reeling this in, you can guide the line back and forth so that it's not stacking up on one side or the other. Now that's tougher to do when you're reeling in a fish, and sometimes inevitably it's gonna get stacked on one side or the other. Another way to prevent that, right, is have your fly shop reduce the amount of backing that's on the reel. If it's doing that, you likely have too much backing, like if it's doing it all the time. But if it does it every once in a while and it's clearly stacked on one side, use your pinky as a level line and that won't happen to you anymore. All right, well, I hope this fly fishing tip helps you the next time you're out fly fishing.